Get ready. Start. The question of the maintenance of parallel general provident fund accounts by the introduction of the passbook system has been under consideration of this department for some time past. Full stop. According to the present practice, an annual statement of account showing the balance, accumulated contributions made during the year, and withdrawals, recoveries, etc. is sent by the accountant general to the subscriber in the month of October each year. Full stop. The subscriber is required to intimate within a stipulated period about any discrepancy which he may notice in this annual account statement. Full stop. The discrepancies are reconciled on the basis of the treasury voucher numbers which the subscriber himself has to indicate. Full stop. This involves a time consuming and cumbersome procedure. Full stop. The delay is of longer duration in the case of those subscribers who are transferred from one place to another. Full stop. With a view to improving the existing conditions, it has been decided that parallel GP fund accounts be maintained by the introduction of passbook system on the pattern of post offices, banks for all the gazetted officers who subscribe to the provident fund. Full stop. This will be a prized publication and will be available from the Controller of Printing and Stationery, Punjab, on requisition. Full stop. It is also added that according to the instructions printed on the passbook itself, it was inter alia laid down that gazetted officers in the state will make the entries in the passbooks regarding their subscription, etc. themselves and get the same verified from the treasury officers concerned half yearly. Full stop. It has, however, come to the notice of government that this system is not being followed by all gazetted officers in the various departments. Full stop. It will be appreciated that non-implementation of government instructions defeats the very purpose for which these are taken, and it is both necessary and desirable that the instructions already issued may be brought to the notice of all gazetted government officers working in your department, and they may be asked to start the passbook system immediately if not already done for the maintenance of their GP fund accounts, and have these duly verified from the treasury officers concerned periodically as indicated in the instructions referred to above. Full stop. The intention of government had been that the government servants are able to derive full benefit of this procedure. Full stop. Kindly acknowledge the receipt of this letter. Stop.